नमस्कार दोस्तों, ESIC Deputy Director एग्जाम के लिए we are analyzing entire syllabus keyword by keyword. So what we are doing, we are trying to define the boundary that for each keyword of the syllabus, what we should be studying and what we can exclude. And how we are doing it based on our understanding of previous papers, based on our understanding of similar exams, a lot of research which we have done, and we'll share that with you today. So our topic for today is principles of accounting. We also have done other topics, and we'll continue to keep doing more topics for which videos will come on the YouTube. So what our request is that you can subscribe to our channel so that when new video will come up, it will notify you. Otherwise, you can also remember the name Human Peritus and you can search it after a couple of days. So we plan to cover the entire syllabus keyword by keyword. Another thing, if you have any suggestion or if you disagree with any of our points in our analysis, please feel free to write to us. You can write in the comments below. You can also connect with our team directly through WhatsApp. The link to connect through WhatsApp with our team directly is given in the description below. Check that out and connect with our team. We'll try to do our best, and of course we'll reply to every comment which you are writing on this thing, whether you agree or disagree. Okay, so let's get started. So before that, who we are. So I am from Human Peritus, and incidentally Human Peritus is uniquely positioned to assist you for this exam. Why? Because on the one hand, we have experience of guiding you through multiple UPSC recruitment exams like ALC, EPFO, APFC, Administrative Officer in DRDO, GSI, and so on. On the other hand, we are also non-management experts in the market for subjects like management, commerce, labor laws. We also guide students for HR and marketing officers in banks and PSUs. So this has placed us uniquely to guide you for this UPSC ESIC exam, and let us see how best we can support you. So this is about who we are, and some of the quick points about UPSC ESIC exam. So we expect that there will be 122 questions with around 300 marks. Part A, Part B. Part A will have, I think, 20 questions on English. Expected exam date. So our best guess is that exam cannot happen before Feb or March of next month. To be realistic, it should happen sometimes in May, June, or after that. And why we are making this claim? Go to our website, look at the FAQ on the ESIC page. So there we have published in detail why we are making this claim that this exam cannot happen before Feb, March of next year. Okay. If you have any doubts on seats, eligibility, salary, etc., then you can look at the notification. Still, if you can't find it, do let us know. As I have told you that you can connect with our team directly on the WhatsApp through the link given below in the description. So how we plan to prepare you for ESIC? So we have a 4-step plan in which we make you go through live classes first. Then we'll make you go through printed booklets which come at your home through the courier. Then we'll make you go through an online question bank, and finally mock test papers. And this 4-step approach has worked for us fairly well. For example, in UPSC ALC exam, which was done in November 2017, more than 90% paper was from our course. Similarly, for UPSC EPFO, for which a lot of students were, number of students were engaged with us. Even in that exam also, majority of paper was from our course only, and our students have done really well. You will see the results. You will see the recorded video. You will see the interviews of some of them in next 2-3 months. And see how well they have done. So what I'm saying, this 4-step approach has worked very well with us, and we are assuming that this will work for UPSC ESIC exam as well. So let us come to the real stuff now. Real stuff is that what we should be studying for accounting portion of UPSC ESIC exam. So what is the keyword in the syllabus? The keyword in the syllabus is principles of accounting. So obviously our first approach is to look at previous year papers. So we analyzed around 17 recruitment exams of UPSC, and we found that out of them 2 papers had questions on accounting. Incidentally, both these papers have exactly same keyword in the syllabus as well. So these 2 papers are EPFO 2017 and EPFO 2021, which happened couple of days back. And there the keyword is general accounting principles. And again, in next exam also, the keyword is general accounting principles. So let us try to understand that. And accounting is a vast subject. There are a lot of questions. You should be doing only financial accounting only, or you should also be doing corporate accounting. Even financial accounting itself is a very vast subject. So Meeta ma'am, who is a subject matter expert with us at Human Peritus, so she has done this analysis, and she will share with you a couple of these points on what you should be studying for this keyword of UPSC ESIC. Okay.
So hello friends. Now I'll tell you what has to be covered with respect to accounting in ESI exam, right? So as Nitesh sir has told you that for 2 of the exams which are held with respect to EPFO 2017 and 2021, the keyword is under syllabus for EPFO exam is general accounting principles, and the keyword for accounting syllabus under ESIC is principles of accounting. So it means the connotations of both these syllabus is same, and whatever is being asked under these 2 EPFO 2017 and 2021 exam, we can deduce certain boundaries for this ESI exam as well, right? Okay, so these papers can help us to set out the boundary for the ESI exam for accounting, right? So now again we have analyzed both these 2 papers. If you look at my screen, there are 2 questions which I have pointed out. Why I have pointed out here that they have been asked from where? Trial balance. Can you see this thing? So this is 2021. This has been recently held. Okay. So whatever is the level of questions of accountancy that has been very easy in 2021 EPFO exam, right? So they have asked 2 questions from trial balance, and if I talk about other questions, all the questions were based from class 11 and 12 accountancy syllabus, right? So like for example, they have been asking current liabilities definition, and they are asking question on journal. So all these are very basic concepts of accounting. No hard or no advanced accounting questions have been asked in this 2020 exam, right? And even they are asking about nature of income and expenditure account, and which concerns prepare receipts and payment account. So all these are very basic in nature. No advanced accounting term or no advanced accounting calculations are there in the paper. However, on the other hand, if we compare this 2020 exam with 2017 exam, right? So the previously held EPFO exam was 2017. So when we compare both these exams, see the kind of questions they are asking. So they are even asking from advanced accounting. Okay. That is, for example, consignment, branch accounting. They have also covered question on joint venture, depreciation accounting, and even on partnership. Even one very basic question, what is IFRS stands for. Okay, so there are questions which you can assume to belong to CA level and to graduation and post-graduation level. Although this level is not covered in this 2021 exam. Okay, so my reference to compare these papers is this, that the level this time is very much easy as compared to previously held exam in 2017. Okay. So based on the analysis, what we have to study, what we don't have to study, what we have to exclude, there are questions. And in this 2017 exam, there was also a question on overhead also, right? Overhead costing. So based on our research and analysis, we have reached to the conclusion that what should we cover basically? All the financial accounting concepts, right? We should thoroughly cover it. Whatever has been stated in class 11th and 12th, we should cover them thoroughly. Okay. And there are very rare chances that they would ask you any question from cost accounting or management accounting. So we can set aside these two branches of accounting. We need not go through all these concepts of cost accounting and management accounting. Just focus on financial accounting. And again, as Nitesh sir has pointed out, we should go by keyword based approach. Coming to the concluding part, and this is just to how to enroll. Go to the Human Peritus website, or you may write us through mail and ask your queries. If you have any doubt, or if you have any anything which you do not agree with us, you can write to us. Okay, and even you can call us. So basic accounting topics, you must be having all these concepts on your tips. What should be there? Introduction to accounting and accounting principles. So whatever is there, basic introduction to accounting, accounting principles, accounting conventions, policies, all you should be well versed in them, because both these EPFO exams are asking questions on these very concepts and principles. Okay, so basic concepts of accounting is also the part of this only first part. Next is accounting policies and accounting standards. I am not asking that accounting standards should be covered in detail. You should be knowing what is the nomenclature of all the accounting standards. Okay, so there are kinds of accounting standards also issued by ICAI under IFRS. Okay, so we have to cover the types as well, and what is the corresponding nomenclature of these accounting standards if we have to set aside the detailed accounting standards. Okay, so no need to go with them in detail. Inventory valuation, of course, this is the part of basic accounting. We must cover it. Depreciation accounting, we must not leave it. These are all the parts of accounts which has been covered in class 11th and 12th. So we should cover them. Final accounts of sole proprietors and manufacturing entities. Actually, this will give us the basic idea that how to prepare the accounts, what is financial statement for sole proprietors, for manufacturing concerns, for non-manufacturing concerns. So we need to cover them all. So how gross profit is calculated, and what are the basic formulas with respect to all the things which are associated with financial statements. And then partnership accounts, it should also be covered, because if we are covering sole proprietors, manufacturing entities, then we should cover accounting for partnership firms as well. Okay, although this has been specifically not mentioned, but it should be covered because it is again the basic thing which has been covered in class 11th and 12th. Besides this, we must be conversant with these few topics: profit and loss prior to incorporation, corporate accounting. Yes, what is the basic accounting with respect to issue of shares, debentures, preference shares, what are the terminologies used, what are the journal entries. They can ask you basic things with respect to same, so we must cover them. Okay, issue and redemption of debentures, so all these should be covered in detail as well. Okay, there is also an expectation that they might cover practical question on these very topics. This is all about accounting syllabus for ESIC. Thank you so much. All the best.